Snap the base into place by securing the latches shown. Fit the base onto the bottom of the fan. Then rotate the base anti-clockwise to lock in place as shown. After plugging in, the power button will light up. The unit enters standby mode. Press the power button to turn on the unit. The default mode is normal mode. The display will show the ambient temperature. Press the fan speed button to choose the wind speed ranging from F1 to F3. Press the mode button to choose between the 4 modes: normal, sleep, natural, and auto. In sleep mode, the sleep light indicator will light up. The buzzer will be turned off immediately. You can adjust the fan speed to your desired level. 5 seconds after you stop operating the unit, all lights will dim and turn off, except for the temperature display. Then the display will dim completely. Press any button to turn the display back on. In natural mode, the natural light indicator will light up. You can choose the fan speed to your desired level. In auto mode, the display will show auto, and the fan speed will be F1 when the temperature is less than or equal to 70 Fahrenheit, F2 between 73 Fahrenheit to 82 Fahrenheit, and F3 when greater than or equal to 83 Fahrenheit. You cannot change the fan speed manually. Press the timer button to set the timer from 0 to 12 hours. To cancel, set it to 0 hour. Press the oscillation button. The fan will oscillate from the left to the right automatically. Press again to stop. Press the power button to turn off the unit. The unit will remain in standby mode. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the mode button to choose between 4 modes. In sleep mode, the display will dim automatically if there's no other operation. Press any button to exit. In auto mode, you cannot choose the fan speed. Press the fan speed button to choose the wind speed. Press the timer button to set the timer. Press the oscillation button. The fan will oscillate. Press again to stop. Press the light button to turn off the light on the display. Press again to turn the light back on. Press the power button to turn off the unit.